Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Last week we finished week 1, moving in now to week number 2. So here's the calendar for this week. Storytime Sunday is happening at the end of the week with Saturday. That's 2 videos in 1, okay? We're going to start this week like we did last week with Math Monday with me. Here's what we're doing. We're counting how many windows and doors are in our houses, and we're going to add them together, and then we're going to analyze the data. Okay, so let's jump over to our worksheet. This is what it looks like. Okay, this picture at the top, you can color in later. Now's not that time. What we're going to do in just a second is you're going to be going around your house, finding all the windows, big and small, anywhere in your house that you've got them. You're going to count them up using tally marks. Okay, so we were practicing tally marks last week. We're going to continue counting and practicing with tally marks this week. So tally mark counting for windows, tally mark counting for doors. After we finish that, then we're going to drop down to this part where we're going to write an equation, a number sentence for our windows plus our doors. Then we're going to write a sentence with all the information that we've got. Okay, so what your job is now is you are going to be going around your house with your paper, and you're going to be counting windows and doors with tally marks. Okay? We're not going to do equation just yet, and we're not going to do our sentence just yet. We're going to do that part together. Okay? So at this moment, you need to pause the video, grab your paper, and go count up windows and doors. Come back, press play, and we'll continue doing it together. I'm going to do the windows and doors in my house. Okay? Pause the video here. Okay, everybody, so what we're doing now is I've made on my whiteboard, and I've made it look just like your paper. Okay? So at the top here is my chart that we're going to be using to count up tally marks of windows and doors. We're going to use an equation number sentence, and we're going to analyze our all of our data here, and we're going to put it into one sentence, okay? So I went around my house just like you should have done, and I counted up my windows and my doors in my house, okay? So for my windows, I'm going to use blue. You can use one color. You can use 3 different colors. It's your choice, but I like to use color coordinating when I'm writing my sentences and doing my math. It's easier for us to learn. So in my house, I have 4 windows. Okay, so tally marks for 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, that's 4. Okay, for the doors, I actually have 6 doors in my house. So the 6, do I just write 6 lines then? No, we know that that's not how tally marks work. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't just keep going lines. My next one, 5, I make a gate, and then 5 and 1 more gets us 6. Okay, so that's 4 windows, 6 doors in my house. Now, we're going to take this information that we have on the top here, and we're going to fill in an equation, okay? So, I'm going to start with the blue line, and under the blue line it says windows. So I'm going to see, oh, that's color coordinated. So it's 4 is going to go here. Plus, that means I'm adding 2 numbers together. This number and this number. My windows and my doors, I'm going to add that number together to see how many of both we have combined. So I'm going to grab my red marker, and we said that this was 6. If you forgot the number, all you got to do is count. That's why I love tally marks. So easy to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. 4 plus 6. If I'm not sure right off the top of my head what 4 and 6 together is, there's lots of different ways to figure it out. You could use your fingers. You could use your toes. You could use your brain in your head to figure it out. You could use the tally marks. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use for this strategy. You can use anything you need, but for me today, what I'm going to use for this strategy to solve this problem, 4 and 6 together, is I'm just going to count all the lines, and that's going to tell me how many I have total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was the total? 4 and 6 gets us to what? That's right, 10. 10 is my total. 10 is 10 windows, or 4 windows and 6 doors together. All the windows and doors in my house, I have 10 of them together. So, I have 10 windows and doors. So, for my sentence, here's what we're going to use. You're going to write the same sentence that I have. Okay? So, and most of these words are sight words that we know. And how great is that? Why do we learn sight words? Because they are so easy for us to be able to use in sentences. Okay? So here's our sentence. I have, and there's a blue line for windows. So I'm going to go ahead and write, I have 4 windows and, red one for doors. How many doors did I have? 6. 6 doors in my house. So now I can go back and read the whole sentence. I have 4 windows and 6 doors in my house. And now you have just completed the worksheet for today. Let's think about something for a moment. Should you use the exact same numbers that I have? Only if you actually have those in your house. If you actually only have 4 windows, then that's what you would write. Maybe your numbers are different. So that's why I walked you through how to do mine. Now you're going to do it with your numbers that you got. Okay? We're going to go ahead now and transition to a story time for today. Let's go ahead and do that. Thanks for doing this worksheet with me. For story time today, we're going to read one of my favorite stories, Dragons Love Tacos. And you know what else dragons love? Books! Dragons love books. One of my favorite shirts as well that I love to wear to school. So, dragons love tacos. Let's do it. Dragons love tacos. Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny tacos. Little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell of the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? But wait! As much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of that hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Hey Dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Dragons love parties. They love costume parties and pool parties. They like big gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos. Pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, just go bury it in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music. They love the decorations. They especially love the tacos. Congratulations! It's a good thing you got rid of all that spicy... Wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print! Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Dragons, listen to me. Don't eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not gonna love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh no, too late. Oh no, they burnt the house down. Why do dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. After all, dragons love tacos. The end. All right, friends. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Have a great Monday. Bye.